It is not the desire of Museveni. In the morning, this place was cordoned off. Never take it into the Tutira over Singatibatuka. Never vow. They've been watching pressure all over the world. There are protests in Kenya, there are protests in the diaspora, and we are calling for protests even here in Uganda. That is the pressure that pushed Museveni to bring out that coward in him. Now tweeting angalinga umuliogoba kumyekerekere. Kati besije lwaki yagenda mu lwaki talinda continue ne kola normal process. Omuntu yemoyo hypocrite. Asili abana bafe myaka 4 abala myaka 5. Mukoti amaje ngatibawuzisibwa. Ye yagamba Dr. Besije yalirinze process ye koti amaje netambula. What a hypocrite. So it is pressure. It was pressure that made the court bring Dr. Besije today. Era pressure yegenda okumuyamba okuvaayo. Dictators only listen to pressure. So please, in whichever way you can, exert as much pressure as possible. I know some, in fact most of our people are scared to come out physically. Good enough we're living in an age of social media and the world listens. Bana bantu mbateke ko muliro baganda bange. Otherwise they will not stop. They don't stand for anything legal. You have seen them bakwata banabana ba foot soldiers. Never siba. Nigga commander in chief of our foot soldier ahali wano lwaki mukwata. So they intend to intimidate you. Somewhere. Temucha baganda bangi. Umulingeji osobola mubabuze mirembe. Umwandi somu spy yagamba disturbing the peace of the oppressor is a moral duty. Bana abantu okubabuze mirembe mulimu gwa mukuru. Mubabuze mirembe mubalise bubisente za peze batubako. Tembakiriza kwebaka. Mubanje abantu baffe kumacha mbanje abasibe mutuntu mbanje abasibe ekiro mbanje abasibe obo simose ngogenze kweyamba soko demu ero babanje. Put as much pressure as possible because this is moral pressure, this is legitimate pressure. These people are not going to release our people if we don't pressure them. So please pressure them. Keeping united is also pressure enough. He invests a lot of money to divide us. Let us pressure him by sticking together. Banange buli jonjo gera bingi namwe lero ngenda kwogera bitonotono njagala kuva waggulu ngamba saba buli asobola okwekalakasa mu ngeri yonna yonna gye weekalakasa weekalakasa. Ate making sure be weekalakasa